Hi, this is Insurmount.
In the last video, we made a portable compressed air tank.
In this video, we're going to shoot things with it.
So the first thing we're pressurizing is this Nerf gun. As you can see, we took it apart, and right here we have the loading mechanism. We drilled a hole right here so that the copper pipe can just slide in from the back. So the tube goes in here and we can trigger it with the tap on the bag.
I'm going to make something that shoots fireballs. And if all goes well, we'll be able to put a ball of fabric into this barrel, attach a torch to the front, and then shoot the ball of fabric through the torch, setting it on fire, and hopefully shooting fireballs.
We're gonna do a comparison shot to compare a normal Nerf gun with a modern Nerf gun. 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh my god. I finished assembling the fireball gun. To start off, I sawed off a piece of PVC. After that, I made this beautiful piece of copper to hold this piece that will light the fireballs. Then I assembled the end cap. I also made this beautiful wooden handle. So this gun shoots these beautiful little balls made out of fabric, which go in right in the back. And this attaches to the beautiful device we made last video. So this attaches to the... Ow! That hurts! Stop this shit! So, after I put on a new shirt, I mounted this thing to the backpack. We're going to do a dry fire first before it actually shoots fireballs. So... 1, 2, 3... Holy That shot a bit further than expected, so I think I'll open it like just halfway. Let's get a refill and fill this thing up with gasoline. After accidentally starting our own space program with the previous test shot, we're now going to try to lit that letter over there with a flaming ball of fire. 3, 2, 1. Oh, woo! Woo!
Hi, if you like this video, please consider subscribing or leaving a like. If you have any ideas for future projects, leave them in the comments below. Bye!